Hey, algebra students. So really, the most important skill to do this example is literally just not to get intimidated. So first of all, I should have had directions for you. This would probably say something like simplify or multiply or find the product, because all this is three big ugly numbers multiplying. I have 5p multiplying with p cubed, multiplying with 2p to the fourth power. Now you might say, Kate, is it really only three numbers multiplying? Because you told me that when things are shoved together, they're multiplying too. So isn't that 5 times p? And 2 times p to the fourth as well? And yes, it is. This is just a bunch of stuff multiplying, and so it's going to be so nice I can do it in any order I want, because with multiplication, order doesn't matter. And I'm going to use that fact to make my life easier. First, I'm going to multiply with plain old numbers, the kinds of things I know how to multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. But now it's time to face the facts. I have a bunch of p's, and not just regular p's with exponents on them. And so I have to be able to multiply all those p's together. Well, how am I going to do that? Well, remember what an exponent means. P to the third means the same as 3p's multiplying. And p to the fourth means the same as 4p's multiplying. So it's super easy to multiply with exponents. You literally just have to count up how many you have multiplying. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 p's multiplying. How do we write 8 p's multiplying? We write p to the 8th. Now, if you're the super cool student who noticed that there's a fast way to do that, like instead of counting, I could just add, Kate. There's 1 p multiplying plus 3 more p's multiplying plus 4 p's multiplying for a total of 8 p's multiplying. I agree with you. That rule you'll learn in college. It's called the product rule. But even if you don't know it, you can do it just by what we know about exponents and the expanded form. The simplest you can make this expression is 10p to the 8th power. Nice. Good job. Proud of you. Happy learning.